Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use voice changer on WhatsApp. To get started, you want to make sure you've downloaded and installed FM WhatsApp or GB WhatsApp. In order to get FM or GB WhatsApp, you need to go to Chrome because you won't be able to get it in Play Store. So you need to go to Google and get the APK file, and from there you have it on your phone. That's a little tip for you there. All right, let's go ahead and open the app. Right, so once you're in here, what you want to do is to select a chart. I'm going to select Emmy Young. WhatsApp FM actually has features that enables you to change your voice when talking to your friends, your family, and whoever it is that you want to actually use this voice changer on. What you want to do is to click the three dots at the top right corner here, and you want to go ahead and click on voice changer. And right now I have set it to drunk, but I'm gonna put it off so you see what happens. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna record. So this is just a normal message with my normal voice. Okay. Hey boy, what's up? What are you doing? And I'm going to change the voice right now. So you want to go ahead and click the three dots again and then choose voice changer. This time I'm going to choose baby. Let's see how that sounds. All right, let's go back. Let's play this one and see how it sounds.
Hello, I'm Young. How are you doing today?
That is a baby voice right there. All right, guys. This is how to use voice changer on WhatsApp. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.